Okay, I'm going to walk you through problem 3A. So this is 3A. All right, on the multiple choice, this problem was already set up for you. So if you want to take a moment to pause the video and set it up like I've set it up. The focus of this problem really was more about the idea of it, whether or not a divisor was a factor. But in order to figure that out, we have to do the division. So I'm going to do that first. So we set it up. Our first term always goes right here next to the first term in the divisor. And I asked myself, how many times would x go into 2x squared? And it would be 2x. Multiply my row and my column. Now, different people find this box different ways. One way to find it is to do -5 minus 2, and you would get a -3. Or you could say what plus -2 would give you -5. Either way, you end up with -3 because these diagonals add to this value here. All right, so I repeat the process again. X times what would give me -3x? That would be -3. And then I do my row times my column. If you notice, these values do not match, so I've got to have a leftover or a remainder. So again, to find that diagonal, you can do 10 minus 3, and you get 7, or you could say what plus 3 gives me 10, and it would still be 7. So ultimately, we see here that we have a remainder, and the question is the divisor a factor? The answer is no. This is not a factor. In order to be a factor, this would have to go in evenly without anything left over. So this divisor, x minus 1, is not a factor of this dividend, 2x squared minus 5x plus 10, because I have a leftover. So no, there is a remainder. Okay, you can go ahead and move on to 3b.